Hey guys, AP here. Today we are going to do an unboxing of a mini portable Bluetooth speaker miviroam. It is a tiny speaker with a mighty sound. Now let's have a quick look at the specifications of the speaker. It has crystal clear sound with power audio, premium build quality, true wireless stereo. We can connect two Mivi speakers in stereo mode. Long battery with playback time of 6 hours at 70% volume. IP67 certification, fully waterproof and portable. Now let's see the box contents. Here comes warranty card which we can access globally for 1 year, and here comes our speaker. There is a Mivi branding on top of it. It has a fabric texture on top and its build quality is very good. Here are buttons for pause, play, volume rockers and power button. And Mivi has given USB-A to micro USB cable for charging and aux cable for multimedia purpose. It comes with the IP67 certification which is completely water resistant. And now let's have a look at the ports. It has a charging port and an aux port. It has a built-in microphone with LED notification light. Now let's have a quick look at how to connect the speaker with the other devices. Press and hold the power button to get the speaker in the pairing mode. Then there is a beep with the LED notification. Now search the available devices in the Bluetooth settings and tap on it to connect. Then there will be a beep. Boom! Here we are connected. Now let's hear the speaker's sound quality. Thank you guys for watching my video.